everybody, it's Candace, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I know it's been a little while, but I had a lot of things going on. But the important thing is I am here now with a video. And today we are making this cute little Hershey Bar Wrap that you can give to anybody on Valentine's Day. And so I only have one candy bar left. I really can't eat these anymore. Recently I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. So yeah, I had to make a lot of changes. So this is the only bar I have left. And it's funny because my daughter was like, "Mommy, can I eat this?" And I was like, "No," because I need it for a video. And I don't know how long I have had it now. So yeah, I was like, no. So we are going to be using that. You need the heartfelt stamp set along with the From My Heart Designer Series paper. That's what I am using. And I'm also going to be using some of the one of the doilies. Okay, so first things first. Excuse me. Let me get up my trimmer here. So width-wise, my paper is already where I want it to be, which is at 5 1/4 inches. So now I'm going to trim off, and I want this to be at, you could do either 5 1/4 and let it be a 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 square, but I like to do 5 1/2 just to make sure I have enough room when I go to seal this. So I'm going to do 5 1/2. Oops, almost didn't catch that. Okay. Okay. Really cute. And today starts new promotions with Stampin' Up! So you can now order coordinating products that goes with some of our celebration and mini catalog items. So let me show you really quickly. Let me make sure I got them all in my hand. Okay. Yeah, this is one. So you can now purchase the Nature Thoughts dies, and that's going to go with the Positive Thoughts stamp set. I think this one was already around. You can now get the Ladybug dies. That's going to be with that exclusive Ladybug stamp set. Now that Ladybug stamp set you could get for free if you place a $350 order. You will automatically get that stamp set. And now we have some coordinating dies. We also have the Special Day dies, and this is going to go with, let me see if I can see it here. Let me see, because I got a lot of stamp sets, guys. Oh, here we go. That's going to go with the Special Someone stamp set. You can get the Sending Flowers die. And I think this one goes with another celebration set, which is, I'm not sure. Oh, shucky ducky. I'm sitting here looking. Part of me wants to say So Sentimental. No, that's not it. I said celebration, right? Oh, shucks. Oh, here we go. I believe this one goes with the Sending You Thoughts. I think that goes together. And then you can also get the birthday dies that is going to go with the happy birthday to you celebration stamp set. So those are our new coordinating products. And there's also some paper, but I don't have the paper around me, and I'm not going to go looking for that. But yeah, so these are the 5 new dies that you can now purchase. If you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you can now pre-order the second release of Celebration that's going to start in March. And there's some great products coming out of there also. Okay, so now that was it for our little commercial. So all I'm going to do here is just, I'm going to try to center this as much as I can. But it's not that big of a deal if it's not exact. So now I'm going to wrap this around. And I want to try to get this tight, but not too tight that you can't take it off. But you do want it, you don't want it to be too loose either. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some adhesive. Okay, so there goes the wrapper. Okay, so now I am going to stamp the sentiment. And I'm using the happy birthday in real red. Okay, and let me just grab this really quickly, just so I can make sure I'm getting a really good impression. Okay. I feel like my real red needs to be re-inked, and I don't know why. It's not like I've used it a whole lot. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and punch this out. Oh, I did not realize that it was already on top. I'm going to grab one of the Flirty Flamingo heart doilies. Now, if you want to, when you put this to your candy bar, you can pop it up. The only reason why I'm not is because most likely the person wouldn't, I mean, it's most likely probably going to be thrown in the trash, just to be honest. So I'd rather save on some dimensionals. I'm just going to tilt this off to the side. Now, I didn't do it with this one, but if you wanted to, I happened to see this. I had it off to the side. I had this bow already done. And what I did to stop the fraying is I took a lighter and just lightly, you don't set it to the fire, but you just put it close to the flame and it will start to melt down. And that will stop the fraying. Or if you have any kind of like adhesive spray, you can do that. grab a glue dot. If you wanted to, just to add some little extra pizzazz to it, put a little bow. Okay, so that is my project for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and to head over to my blog to see what else I have going on. Alrighty, bye-bye.